Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Alien English Show. I'm Stella, your English teacher from planet Earth.
And I'm Blip from planet Zog. I'm ready to learn something shiny today.
Shiny? What do you mean, Blip?
Well, I saw humans holding shiny round things. They call them money, right? I think humans love shiny stuff.
You're not wrong. Yes, today we'll talk about money, what it is, and how people use it on Earth.
Oh, finally. Because I tried to buy ice cream yesterday, but the human wanted $5. So I gave him 5 rocks. He didn't like that.
Oh no! Poor Blip. Let's fix that today. Money is something people use to buy things. We use coins, paper bills, or cards to pay.
So money is like energy points?
Kind of. You work, you earn money. Then you can buy food, clothes, or toys.
Interesting. So humans don't trade cows or rocks anymore.
Not usually. Long ago, people used to trade. I give you bread, you give me milk. Now they use money because it's easier.
Oh, so money is the universal trade translator.
That's a smart way to say it, Blip. Here, look, these are coins. They are small and round, made of metal.
Ooh, shiny. How many flavors?
Not food, Blip, just metal. And these are paper bills, or banknotes.
They look like tiny paintings. Humans carry art in their pockets.
Exactly. Now, most people also use credit cards or phones to pay.
Wait, they pay with their phones? That's magic.
Not magic, technology. You just tap your phone and pay.
Oh, my translator says tap to pay. So easy. Can I pay with moon dust?
Not yet, Blip. Maybe one day. When you buy something, you give money and get a product.
Like when I buy pizza.
Exactly. You can also sell things. That means you give something and receive money.
Oh, so if I sell one of my alien gadgets, I get Earth money?
Yes, but be careful. Don't sell alien tech on Earth, Blip.
Got it. No UFOs for sale.
Here are some useful phrases. How much is it?
It's $5.
Can I pay by card?
Do you accept cash?
So, if I see something I like, I say, how much is it? Perfect.
I heard humans say cheap and expensive. What do they mean?
Cheap means the price is low. Expensive means it costs a lot of money.
So one ice cream for $1 is cheap, but one spaceship for $1 million is expensive.
Exactly. You're learning fast.
My brain chip is melting. Too much information.
Humans also save money. They put it in a bank.
Why? So the money can rest?
Kind of. It's to keep it safe and earn interest.
What's interest?
It's extra money you get when you save for a long time.
So the money grows? Like a baby coin?
Yes, a baby coin that grows up. Okay, Blip, let's practice. I am at a store. You want to buy a sandwich.
Hello, I want a sandwich, please.
Sure, it's $3.
Okay, I pay with my card. Tap.
Excellent! You just bought a sandwich in perfect English.
Yay! Now can I eat it?
Of course! Let's review today's new words. Money, what people use to buy things. Coins and bills, metal and paper money. Buy, sell, actions for shopping. Cheap, expensive. Prices. Pay by card, pay in cash. How you give money. Bank, place to keep money safe.
My favorite is cheap. I like cheap snacks.
Good choice. And that's all for today's episode. Blip learns about money on Earth.
Now I understand. Humans use paper, metal, and even phones to trade for things.
Exactly. You did great, Blip.
Thank you, Stella. Next time, can we talk about food prices?
Maybe. We'll see next week.
Okay, but I'm saving my money for pizza day.
Good idea. Bye, everyone. See you next time on the Alien English Show.